Want to know who's actually following you on Snapchat? Here's how to check your followers on Snapchat, step by step. First, open the Snapchat app. From the chat screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. If you have a public profile, tap on it. Right away, you'll see your total followers count. For more details, tap on Insights. Here you can see your follower count and other profile stats. Snapchat does not show a full followers list like Instagram or TikTok. You can't see exactly who is following you. To understand who you're connected with, scroll down and tap My Friends. This shows people you've added or who added you back. So while Snapchat doesn't show individual followers, this is the best way to check. Follow and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and hidden features.